Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel for another video. So if you want to see what I'm unboxing today, please stay tuned and keep watching. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just got back to the house, me, hubby, and Dory, from dropping the boys off to school this morning. Today is August 23rd. And I've been having these boxes in the closet forever, ever. And I'm like, let me go ahead and do my video before, I have to take hubby to work. Because he works today, but I'm off, so thank God. So I have 3 different unboxings I'm doing. I have one from Melon Haircare that I purchased. I also have another one from Agape that I purchased. And then I have one from my sister, my friend. She's a YouTuber here as well. And her channel name is A Rise and Shine with Mommy. And her name is Monique. So, let's get started. Alright, this is my package from Agape. I ordered it a while ago. When I got it, I never opened it. But I'm excited to see how it is. I hope you guys are having a blessed and beautiful day. Awesome day. Me right now, I'm having a good day. I'm just hot. Our AC constantly is acting up. So, yeah, I put in a work order with the landlord to see if they can come by and check it out. Because it's hot. Alright, so I opened the box. And it has her business card in there from Agape. And that's all her Instagram and Facebook information and her email and all that great stuff. You want to check out her products. And it says it's a yummy situation. So what I ordered is her limited edition of her candles. And came with this nice sleek black box. Like that. And it says limited edition, strawberry shortcake, pineapple mango, margarita, blueberry cobbler, coconut lime, and banana pudding. It's a yummy situation, soy candle wood wig set. Alright, let's open this up. Ooh, look at that, you guys. And this box smells so good. It's a mixture of all the different smells. Oh my goodness, it smells good. Okay, I have used her candle, the strawberry shortcake candle. And all of these jars are in the size, I believe, of a 4-ounce jar. This one is the strawberry shortcake. Strawberry shortcake smells so good. It smells so good. So pretty. I love the packaging she used. Black and sleek. This is the margarita. That smells different. Got a hint of lime and something else. That's how pretty it looks. Another one is the coconut lime. That smells good. It smells like a body butter. I don't know if she has that coconut lime in a body butter, because that smells good though. And so I'll have to check it out. It smells really good. This one is the banana pudding. I actually have this one and the body butter. And I used it on the kids this morning for them to go to school. And it smells just like the lotion, the body butter. but a little bit more stronger, I would think. Yeah, so pretty. Alright, this one is the pineapple mango. That smells good. Oh, wow. It's not really showing up on camera that well, but it's like an orangey pink color. Can't really see it, but it's a very pretty color. That smells good too. I wonder if she has a body butter in that one. And then the last one I have in here is the blueberry cobbler. I'm not really a fan of this one. I don't know, it's like, it's hard to say. Like, I remember I wasn't a fan of her apple cinnamon body butter, but it grew on me and I love that smell now. But this one, I'm not really sure. But it's a very beautiful blue color. So I got some new candles to try out, you guys. So that's it that I got from Agape Key. And that gift box was a limited edition, but she always comes out with new things every prom date, which is her release dates or new drop dates. Right now she's taking a little break, but you know, most of the time when people take breaks, they're being very creative, and she is always being very creative with her products. So check out her Instagram account or her Facebook account or her website and see what's coming, you guys, and stay tuned if you're interested in any of the products. But this is the one that I purchased on the last drop date. If you want to see any other videos that I may have of her products that I have purchased, just check out my channel. I'll see if I can put up a couple of pictures up so you guys can go check them out. You'll know what to look for when you go down my video list. Alright, my next box up. What did I do with my little... Oh, here it is. Let me do the one from my sister. And I already opened it because I didn't know who it was from or what it was. And it's from Amazon, I believe. I don't know. I think it came from Amazon. I'm not sure. Maybe, maybe not. But this is from Arise and Shine with Mommy. If you guys are not familiar with her channel, head over there and go check her out after you're done watching this video. And this is what she sent me. The company is Joy Cuff. And once you slide the little box out, I think this box is just so cute. There is a bracelet in there, you guys. Look at that box. It's so pretty, the way they packaged it. So let's open this up because I have not even worn it yet or tried it on. It's still sealed in the packaging. So this is the best opportunity to try it. And I love the message on there. It says, "When I am afraid, I will put my trust in you," which is God. And it has a little, inside of the bangle or bracelet, the Psalms in here, a scripture, Psalms 56:3. And like at the tips of the bracelet, there's a little cross. See that? So pretty. Hope you guys can see it. Now let's see if it fits. And if it doesn't, it does. I'll keep it for my daughter, Midori. Isn't that nice? This bracelet here I always wear. I like it, girl. Thank you, sis. Thank you so much. I really like this and I appreciate you. Love you, girl. Isn't that pretty, guys? Alright, let's package. Moving along. 2 out of 3. Alright, this next package I had purchased from Melanin Haircare line. And the reason why I purchased it because I'm like, wow, that is so neat and cool. I think I need one of those. It's one of her new items. Well, two new items that she dropped. And yeah, let me just show you. So one of the items is a Luxe t-shirt towel in the print Dalmatian. And here it is. I thought this was so cute. And basically it's a hair wash drying towel. So after you wash your hair, you just wrap your hair with this so it can take out some of the water and moisture out of your hair. And look how pretty the print is. I love Dalmatian print because I love the movie Dalmatians from Disney. 101 Dalmatians. And I love how it's packaged. It's in this little sealed packaging. See that? Really like it. And it has the little Melon Haircare tag on there. And this thing, can you see it? That's only halfway full. This thing is huge, you guys. Huge. Look how big it is. Huge. I'm not really familiar or good with wrapping my hair, but let's just wrap it up. Like just imagine that I just got the shower and my hair is wet. Bam. There it is. This is cute. Hey. She actually just did a new drop on some head wraps that I'm going to be checking out soon. Hopefully I can purchase some because they got some. She had some. She dropped some very, very pretty prints. And I had to mention it on one of her, like, it's like an advertisement little thing on Instagram that she does. And I mentioned it on there and she was just like, thank you. But the prints that she came out with are so pretty. And this came right on time because I do need to wash my hair, you guys. I actually detangled it the other day in the car and put it in these little fat plaits just so it can stay untangled. So when I get ready to wash it, it won't be such a hard process. I think that's so pretty. Now the last thing I bought, and this is the one thing that I saw that she did on her little advertisement on Instagram. And I was like, I gotta get one of those. I need one of those in my bathroom. And that is the Melon shower mirror enlarged. So here's how it's packaged. Yes, guys, a shower mirror. A mirror for my inside of my shower. And it's in this box. I'll open it up. Oh, it's thinner than I thought it would be. But I like it. There it is right there. You see my ring lights? This is a good size. Just see my face? Bam. It covers my whole face. Bam. So it's packaged like this. And it has this little film on it. But I'll take that off. And it has some melanin. And then it has a little hook. If you have hooks in your shower, you can hook it up. Or you can use the suction cups to suction it to the wall. So, come on guys. Let's go in the bathroom and let's hook this baby up. And oh, we're going to test it out too because hubby's about to take a shower to get ready for work. And it's supposed to be fogless. Like it doesn't fog up, so it stays clear when you're in the shower. So we're going to test it out. So come on guys, let's go. So I'm in the shower. And I was looking at one of her videos online to show you how to install it. I forgot to mention, you guys, that it's supposed to be also shatterproof, as well as fogless. But in her video, it says don't put the little things on the little crevices of the wall, the tile, like in the little crevices. It has to be on the actual towel. But as you can see, we have a very old school towel. They're very tiny, so I hope this sticks, you guys. I hope. So all you're supposed to do is just put it on the wall and just press it in place. Hubby just showered. I wiped it off with a towel, so hopefully it sticks. It's not sticking.
think you're supposed to wet them.
She didn't wet it in her video.
What?
Let's try to wet it and see if that works. Alright guys, so I just put a little water on the cups and see if that will help. I don't know if it's my tile walls. I don't know. It's not sticking. It's an epic fail. Epic fail. So maybe I can use this little hook or something. I just don't have nothing in my shower that's hookable. Aww. So to be continued, see how I can figure this out. Maybe they have some in shower command hooks. Maybe I'll try that and see how it works. So epic fail for now. We'll test it out another time. Alright guys. So you saw the mirror did not stick to my little tiny towel. Hubby said he thinks it's because we live in a very older building, and they paint the tile walls. It's not like a gloss finish or, you know, like the up-to-dated walls of tile. So they actually paint over it. So maybe that's why it's not sticking. I don't know. But I'm going to put this back in the packaging so I don't break it, even though it says shatterproof. I still feel a little more comfortable if it's in the box. So I'll do another video on that once I figure it out and show you guys once I get it installed. I hope that I can use it. If not, I'm going to just have to wait for a later time. At least I have it. It's a great idea. I need it. I can't even talk. I need something like this in my shower because, you know, when you're washing your hair and you need to be able to see. I think that's so cool. Great idea. But we'll see how I can get it to work for my shower. So stay tuned for that video. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of the items that I purchased. And if you would just want to start a conversation or just say, hey girl, hi, how you doing? Just leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. And stay tuned for the next one, guys. Have a blessed and beautiful day. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.